Well, that's the thing I'm at though. Is that it wouldn't be worth your time.
Just taking a video of the ammo cage. Hey everybody, Bad Billy here. Monday about 9 p.m. After I got done freezing my ass off and golfing in the snow yesterday, hit up a few Walmarts. I came across some of the black tumblers, came across a bunch of the other tumblers, picked up 3 more, 2 black, 1 stainless. Was able to grab 8 boxes of Stangers total, 6 at one store, 2 at another. Got a box of that 9mm 147 grain hollow points that 6.4 got the first time around. Kind of anxious to shoot those and see how stout those things are. And I picked up 2 boxes of the Perfecta 308. I came across quite a few of those at one store. I have a buddy that wanted a couple boxes, so I got those for him. And 2 more boxes of the Perfecta 45. I did come across one of those Ozark trail coolers, the 74 quart or 72 quart version for 199 bucks. I'll roll in some footage and a barcode for that thing, so you guys can check it out. That's bigger than I want. I think I'd want the smaller one. Here's the tags for the ammo. 6 Stingers. 2 boxes of Perfecta 308 and 1 of the 147 grain hollow point 9mm. And 2 more Stingers at this store and the 2 boxes of Perfecta. This store here, I kind of don't go to that often. They used to have a 3-box limit sign, and since they put the Stingers out, they had like 30 boxes. You'll see in the one video, they made a homemade sign that says 1 box limit for 22. I didn't feel like arguing with them because I was going to hit some other stores, so I was like, whatever. I had my buddy with me, so we got, 1 box apiece and got out of there. So, no tag on the Ozark Trail tumblers. My buddy paid for those, and I paid him cash, so I don't really give a shit if you don't believe me. All right, guys, I'm out. Hope everybody had an awesome weekend and a decent Monday. I am going to get some work done around here and get to bed. I am beat. You guys have a good one. I'll talk to you later this week. I'm out.